Did you know that donkey meat is one of the most popular and common meats you find in Ghana? Navrongo?
Donkey stank. Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. You happily welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Rufina Tank here, and today I'm coming your way with an unusual video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how donkey meat is made here in my hometown, Navrongo. I'm currently in Doba and I have my mother here who will be taking us through the process.
Paulina.
Ah, okay. So my is Paulina. So bine grandma tutu na ke bina So ma says she has been doing boiling and selling donkey meat for the past 2 years. So I'm so grateful that she is helping us out with this particular video. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave your comment. Have you ever taken donkey meat? From my research, donkey meat is one of the most healthiest meat to consume, and also the milk also, but this meat is unfortunately not exploited. So the next time you see donkey meat, please patronize, because it has a lot of nutrients. It will shock you to know that donkey meat contains less cholesterol. It has amino acids and other proteins. So please try it out anytime you find yourself in Navrongo. And this is the place they sell donkey meat a lot. You can find donkey meat in most junctions in Doba here. So anytime you find yourself in Navrongo, please pass by and get yourself some. You'll not regret it. She's getting the donkey meat ready. She's cutting it into sizable pieces. All fat from the donkey. All this is fat. Wow. And this is the donkey's tank. The tank. Okay. So I'll be helping in my house. Okay. So Emma is done cutting the meat. The next thing to do is to wash. Send lines in Zaramananga. Amanzar.
I don't talk. I'm a Azara leader. I will just my was a color.
So I know some non ended and be.
But you was spices me.
Non ended to DJ as spices.
And the end of the spices.
Okay.
No,
Actually, all just do one. So she's saying they cook it with some spices and some onion and other vegetables. So we'll get to see all that.
No, I'm try. Yeah. Now,
oh, okay. So this is one of the most loved meats in Navrongo here. So she's saying that everybody consumes this particular meat. So they all come to buy from her. Ma is about to rinse the meat. She just explained to me that she always boils the leg, the feet first, and then this part of the meat. I don't know whether this is the heart or the tongue, and then the heart. Is it the heart? Yes, the heart. She boils those ones first because they are very tough to boil. So after it boils for a while, then she adds the other parts of the meat to it. So they are about to wash this and then boil first before we boil the other parts of the meat. Earlier, they've just kept the feet inside and then the tank. So they'll boil that one first before we continue. The raw meat, she sells it as well. So my brother is buying this part of the meat. That's the heart. So I'm a background to
50 cedi.
so it's going for 15 Ghana. Good meat. Okay, thank you. Not with you.
You're paying for it. She's paying for it, don't know me.
Not with. Hey, Emma is giving us more meat. Oh, kill it.
Bado dika urawa sisi mkarika.
Wow, payanga.
Oka mbuga.
Background na ya.
Background.
3 cedi.
Kubadang ada sana.
Kudaga. Ola maluka.
Usually they sell the intestines as well. So this is how it looks.
Ni kana mbuga. Kana mbuga.
How do you call this?
Kana.
The stomach.
This is the stomach of the donkey. The stomach. Okay, so this is the intestines, and she has taken her time to braid the intestines just like my hair. You see how it's looking? Wow. Okay.
Dika kono na galan.
Quando
Ina bagao.
I want to pursue me.
Por
Come back.
ya.
So she's just raising to ask the one that's already boiled.
Ani kapalo na.
So she's about to add some salt to it.
Makama biskala misa. Ben katawa yesu. Abatla da kun.
So she's about to add in the spices. These are some of the spices they add to it. The heat coming from the fire.
Ayirma amal.
Hey, man, kwa you? Funyoko
Mini.
could have been. So I bought cocoa from her. She does cocoa as well. So yani cocoa tizenzingam. We are saying that man Hey! My mother wants money from all angles. So this is a street food. It's usually sold at the roadside. So she says this is the meat from the head. She has chopped up this thing, head. I'm really suffering. The heat and the smoke. So she chopped up the head of the donkey, and that's the last meat she's adding to the rest of the meat that she's already boiling. She's doing really well. The heat is not an easy one. Tomato. So this is powdered tomato. She's going to add that as well. She has added other vegetables, onion, but I couldn't capture that earlier.
Growing up in Navrongo, tomato powder was very common and popular in preparing most of our dishes, and this is because Navrongo is known for its tomato. Some time ago, we used to produce tomato in very large quantities. The best way to preserve tomato was through drying. We dried the tomato up to preserve them. It was one very common way of preserving tomato in Navrongo because we have a lot of sun in Navrongo. So after drying the tomato up, you have to send it to the grinding mill to get it into powdered form, or you either pound the tomato and use it to prepare your various delicacies or your dishes.
It's hot.
It's not hot.
It's
You
hot.
are going to chew it.
God, save me.
I don't know, Jerry. Okay. So let me enter dance a little bit. So Emma is explaining that the intestine takes a long time to cook. So we are still waiting for the donkey meat to be done.
This popular delicacy or meat is popularly known in Nankani as bunganyore, and in Kasem is known as benaganom.
The meat so that she can use it to sell the gari. People prefer to just buy the gari with just the stock. The gari with the meat. So usually this is how it's being served.
Wakachizi. Bachizi ma. Tusila. Manning land anorne girigo tusila. Ede machizi ma.
And then
Anorna
it goes into mixing.
15 langana. Indi. So katangil. Kodapa. Mabad ma pa to ma nete e muno. So that person never no ya put la dara was at daga.
That's the Levi.
No was but but the school mama the school that's aka
Ready about
this was Robert Brahman. Oh yes, so bayiko buyi
No mana tu su yaben ba ya da gara da na ko
na wala lanje
na la na ne ran tu
mini dia woni solu mini a ce na school do ba
mam do to maka to so
wala ba
eyo aso ko question of the lergi yo
to maka to so min to la yeta
ayita
to maka
da na we
na kasana na kana
so the meat is
ya mutla ga dara mata ko is go zi wa kumu face kala
we got some of the meat
ya pata
Mr. has already kept all in his mouth. How does it taste? Very nice. Sweet. Delicious. Yummy.
oh
This brings us all to the end of this video. Please, I really appreciate you all. I appreciate your support, you stopping by to watch my videos always. I truly and really appreciate each and every one of you, and to continue supporting me, please you all to share my videos and then subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. Thank you so much. As we say in Kasim, Akia Lady Day. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye.